Forward.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put the vehicle in park and turn it off.
I got a kid in the car.
I know. Get out.
That's where I'll get. I'm heading back. I couldn't find my goggles. Let me get my goggles.
Get out. Get out.
I'm talking to you. I got a bag on.
Get out of the car.
Okay, I'm getting out. I got a bag on me.
With your left hand, keep your right hand where it is. Open the door from the outside and slowly get out.
Is that right hand?
With your left hand, open your door from the outside and get out.
I'm tone deaf in one ear. Give me 1 second.
Unlock it and get out.
All right.
You think we're playing? Get out.
Ain't nobody playing with you.
Yo, get out of the car. Do it now.
Hey, bring it back to you. Hey, get out of the car now. Don't make me tell you again.
Bro, can I roll the window down for her?
No, get out now.
Roll the window down for her.
Get out of the fucking car.
Walk back to us.
Turn around.
Why are you talking to me? Aiming
Turn around.
I told you I don't have no gun.
Turn around.
I got something in my pocket. My wallet. Okay?
Hey.
I'll tell you what I have on me.
Walk back
Listen.
towards me. Hey.
Okay.
Walk back towards me. Come on.
But, okay.
All right. Keep walking. Keep walking inside of my voice. Come on, man. Come on. Keep walking towards me. Come on. Keep walking.
Chill out. We got you. Thank you.
Hey, there's a child in the car, just so you know.
Huh?
There's a child in the car.
I know. Ready to move on?
Yep.
You just be the girl, bro.
Yes.
Good?
Yes.
Hey, sweetie.
How you doing, honey?
You okay?